Myself, Dr. Uddhav Hale, Professor, Department of Botany, Arts, Science, Commerce and Nandu Talaka, Tozapur District, Usmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Maratha University, Aurangabad. Friends, here I am discussing about the very most important aspects for the multiple choice question based on the Bryophyta part 3rd, and which is come under the paper, the diversity of Cuticle seconds. Now this multiple choice questions is very most important for various examinations, which is for undergraduate students as well as postgraduate students. It is useful for NET examination, PET examination, SET examination, as well as that is MPSC, UPSC, then agriculture sciences and forest services. Due to the pandemic conditions, now every universities are going to be conducted this online examination based on the multiple choice questions. So now here, once again I am discussing about the multiple choice questions part 3rd. So let us see the first question. Here, a bryophyte harboring non-stop colonies non-stop colonies producing or present in which bryophyte? So this is one of the question. And the options are A. Funaria, B. Dawsonia, C. Anthoceros, D. Markensia. And the correct answer is C, that is Anthoceros, because in Anthoceros such bryophytes are having, there is a colonies of the non-stop. Question number 2, that is bryophytes are amphibians of the plant kingdom because their options are A. They occur in damp places, B. They require a layer of water for carrying out sexual reproduction, C. They are mostly aquatic, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B, that is they require a layer of water for carrying out for their sexual reproduction. So due to that, it is considered for the bryophytes or amphibians are coming under that in plant kingdom. Question number 3rd, that is Funaria differs from Markensia due to or in having there is a gametophyte, B. ventricular cell, C. foot cell, or D. protonema. And the correct option is that is D, that is protonema is present in that Funaria as compared to Markensia. Then question number 4, cod moss is the common name of. Options are that is A. Funaria, B. Markensia, C. Rixia, D. Sphagnum. And the correct answer is that is the cod moss is nothing but commonly called as to Funaria. Question number 5, that is annulus is a moss capsule separates. The options are A. Operculum and columella, B. Theca and columella, C. Operculum and theca, D. columella and apophysis. And the correct option is that is operculum and theca. Question number 6, sporophyte of Funaria is a semi-parasite, B. a total parasite, C. saprophyte, D. symbiotic. And the correct answer is A, that is a semi-parasites. Question number 7, that is elytras of Markensia are A. haploid, B. triploid, C. diploid, D. tetraploids. Means what condition, either haploid, diploid, triploid or tetraploids type of elytras are present in Markensia. And the correct option is that is C, because elytras are diploid in case of Markensia. Question number 8, rhizoids of Markensia are Funaria are, their options are unicellular, B. multicellular, C. multinucleate, and D. aseptate. And the correct option is that is multicellular. Rhizoids are multicellular in Funaria. Question number 9, the air cavities in the capsule of moss or Funaria are partitioned with delicate strands of cells are called. The options are septa, B. trabeculae, C. partitions, D. compartments. And the correct answer is that is B, that is trabeculae. Question number 10, sterile jacket around the sex organs is found in. The options are A. Algae, B. Lichens, C. Fungi, D. Bryophytes. Ultimately, the correct answer is in D, that is in bryophytes. Question number 11. Which bryophyta helps in the process of soil formation? And the options are A. Rixia, B. Funaria, C. Marchantia, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B, that is Funaria is very most important or responsible for the process of the formation of soil. Question number 12. Which species of bryophyta preferably grown on alkaline soil? And their options are A. Rixia, B. Marchantia, C. Funaria, none of the above. And the correct answer is, that is once again Funaria is responsible which is grown preferably in alkaline soil. Question number 13. Which group of plants are known in moist and shady places? That is ultimately their options are A. Gymnosperm, B. Bryophytes, C. Pteridophytes, and D. Angiosperms. And the correct option is, that is Bryophytes are mostly grown in the region of moist and shady places. Question number 14. Scales and rhizoids are developed in what kind of bryophytes? And their options are, that is in Funaria, B. Marchantia, C. Rixia, D. Anthocyanis. And the correct option is, that is B, which is rhizoids and scales are present in the Marchantia. Question number 15. What is the first stage in the diploid sporophytic generation in bryophytes? And their options are A. Spores, B. Spore tetrad, C. Zygote, D. Embryo. And the correct option is C, that is zygote, because that is diploid sporophytic generation occurs especially in the region of zygote. Question number 16. Under favorable conditions, the spores germinate to form dioides, especially in bryophytes. And the options are, that is A. Sporophytic plant, B. Gametophytic plant, C. Both sporophytic and gametophytic plants, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is B, only that the spores germinate in bryophytes, especially in gametophytic plant. Then question number 17. Some bryophytes indicates a dioides in soil. Means what the chemical compositions are present in the soil that indicates by bryophytes, and especially A. Copper, B. Silica, C. Zinc, D. Gold. And the correct answer is A, that is copper. Then question number 18. Soil erosion prevent by the members of class. Soil erosion that should be prevented by the member of the class from bryophytes. And their options are A. Hepaticopsida, B. Anthoceratopsida, C. Bryopsida, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option is, that is C, that is Bryopsida, and especially from the species of brine. Now question number 19, that is insect repelling activity by the plants of from bryophytes, and their especially their options are Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, and none of the above. And ultimately the correct option is, that is B, that is Bryophyta is considered for the insect repelling activity in plant by the plants of bryophytes. Question number 20. What is absent in Bryophyta among the following? And the options are A. Embryo formation, B. Fertilization, C. Gametes, true roots, and vascular tissue. And the correct option is, that is D. Especially in bryophyte there is not formed the true roots and vascular tissue, because generally these all things, embryo formation, fertilization, and gametes are present, but true roots and vascular tissues is totally absent in bryophytes. So this is all about the 20 multiple choice question based on bryophyte part 3rd. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, and share to others